Hey there, future investors! Welcome to a journey that could change your financial future forever. Before we dive in, check out the links in the description below to try out each of the books I mentioned today. These links will take you directly to where you can purchase or learn more about these incredible resources. All right, let's get started. Today, I'm sharing my top must-read investment books for beginners. These books have been carefully selected to provide you with a solid foundation in investing. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of investing or looking to deepen your knowledge, these books are absolute game changers. They offer insights, strategies, and wisdom that can help you navigate the complex world of finance. First up, we have The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This book is a cornerstone for anyone serious about investing. This classic is often touted as the Bible of investing. It's a comprehensive guide that covers the principles of value investing, a strategy that focuses on buying undervalued stocks. Graham's principles of value investing have stood the test of time and have influenced some of the greatest investors, including Warren Buffett. Buffett himself has often praised this book as one of the best ever written on investing. It's packed with timeless advice on how to evaluate and pick stocks. Graham's wisdom can help you make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Next, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book is a game changer in how you perceive money and wealth. This one's a personal favorite. It's not just about investing, it's about changing the way you think about money and financial independence. Kiyosaki's storytelling makes complex financial concepts easy to understand and apply. Kiyosaki shares lessons learned from his two dads, his own and his best friend's wealthy father. These contrasting perspectives provide valuable insights into how different attitudes towards money can shape your financial future. It's all about building wealth through smart investments and understanding that your financial success is within your control. This book encourages you to take charge of your financial destiny. Now, if you're keen on understanding the stock market better, A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel is a must-read. This book offers a comprehensive guide to navigating the stock market, debunking myths, and giving practical advice for building a diversified portfolio. His insights can help you understand market trends and make informed investment decisions. It's a fantastic primer for anyone serious about investing. Whether you're a novice or have some experience, this book provides valuable knowledge. For those eager to get into the nitty-gritty of personal finance, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle is essential. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group, emphasizes the importance of low-cost index funds and diversification. His straightforward approach makes complex concepts easy to understand and apply. This book is a must-read for anyone looking to build a solid investment strategy. And finally, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Lynch shares his insights from managing the Fidelity Magellan Fund, one of the most successful funds in history. His practical advice can help you leverage your own knowledge to make smart investment choices. He explains how average investors can beat the pros by leveraging what they already know. Lynch's approachable style makes this book both inspiring and practical, showing that investing doesn't have to be intimidating. With the right knowledge and mindset, anyone can succeed in the stock market. So, there you have it, my top 5 must-read books for new investors. These books provide a wealth of knowledge and can set you on the path to financial success. Remember, investing is a journey, and these books are fantastic guides to have by your side. They offer timeless advice and strategies that can help you navigate the financial landscape. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to try each of these books for yourself. Investing in your education is the first step towards financial freedom. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your favorite investment book. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, everyone!